There's a gingerbread house which is even bigger than my height, but right here is the chota version of it. If we talk about gingerbread, then it's a sweet treat which is basically made up of ginger and some spices. The moment you walk in, it feels cozy yet elegant. What I love most is how guests can actually watch their pizzas being prepared live. From stretching the dough to sliding it into the oven, it adds such a nice interactive touch to the whole dining experience. It tastes more delicious. If you love Christmas, you need to see this. Hyatt Regency New Delhi Sidewalk is celebrating Christmas with a life-size gingerbread house with twinkling lights, cozy decor and Christmas vibe all around. Just look at this. In fact, just look at this. Sidewalk is the outdoor cafe at Hyatt. It is famous for freshly baked goods and desserts, coffee, tea, hot chocolate and seasonal displays like this one. So right behind me there's a gingerbread house which is even bigger than my height, but right here is the chota version of it. And if we talk about gingerbread, then it's a sweet treat which is basically made up of ginger and some spices. So if we talk about why people love to have this in winter, it's because spices help keep the body warm, stays fresh longer in cold weather, and it became a popular Christmas treat in Europe. If you are visiting over here, then do check out these because oh my god, they have so many variations of gingerbread. I mean, you can have Christmas tree or like star-shaped Santa as well. Oh my god, this smells so good. This is literally as big as my face. Let's just have this. Of course, there's a flavor of ginger, and then the texture of this bread is very soft and it feels very good inside of my mouth. Properly पूरा icing का work है इसके ऊपर, and जो brown है that is mainly gingerbread. I can see so many candies over here. There is like gummy bear as well. Oh my god, it's so cute. I feel like eating everything, bhai. And in fact, this is edible, but obviously we can't eat this. So gingerbread house को explore करने के बाद now we are heading towards La Piazza to check out their special menu for Christmas. Let's go. The moment you walk in, it feels cozy yet elegant, warm lights and classic interiors. What I love most is how guests can actually watch their pizzas being prepared live. From stretching the dough to sliding it into the oven, it adds such a nice interactive touch to the whole dining experience.
Inspire the family tradition we have in Italy. So whatever we think is what we had when we were young, and we had with our parents, huge table, a lot of things to eat. It's a family restaurant, so it just get together, have fun, eat something, and then share some experience, some remind. That's all what we have here.
We started with a cocoa martini. It was chocolatey, slightly bitter and perfect for a festive time. Over here is white chocolate. The presentation is amazing. I mean, the design is too good. Next up was the baked Brussels sprouts tart with gorgonzola fondue, crushed walnuts and cranberry sauce. Totally a really comforting dish. It tastes more delicious. Then the duck liver pate with cranberry jelly and ciabatta crisp was rich and silky, balanced perfectly with the sweetness of cranberry. Then came the Norwegian salmon Wellington, wrapped delicately and served with Valencia orange and cream sauce finished with basil oil. It was light, flavorful and cooked just right. And finally, the showstopper, the braised lamb shank with Christmas stuffing. This was definitely packed with lots of festive flavors.
So here at Hyatt Regency Delhi, we have 7 restaurants and each one of them has its unique Christmas menus, special curated Christmas dinners and Christmas brunches. So our Christmas celebrations are across the whole hotel. From the second you walk into the hotel, you can just smell the Christmas spirit all across. And when you go to our bakery shop, which is now turned into a live gingerbread house, it is for all families. We want to create moments that can be turned into memories for all our guests.
And that's how Hyatt Regency New Delhi is celebrating Christmas this year. So if Christmas for you means good food, festive decor and memorable experiences, then this one should be on your list. Let us know in the comments, would you come here for the gingerbread house or the Christmas menu? Also, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.